So third last chapter, enterprise resource management. Now the enterprise resource management is the fast changing scenario, the ability of respond to new customers, need, size, seize market opportunities as they arise, crucial. Successful companies today recognize the high level of interaction and coordination along the supply chain will be the key ingredient of their continuous success. Enterprises are continuously striving to improve their area of quality, time to the market, customer satisfaction, performance, and profitability. The successful organization will be those who can gather and quickly act upon critical for the companies to execute this union. There's a need of infrastructure that will provide information across the all function and location within the organization. Then आपके पास है ERM. Now ERM describes the software that lets an enterprise manage the user access to its network resources efficiently. ARM describes software that manages all of the company assets and resources, including such basic application as general ledger, accounts payable, receivable, as well as manufacturing, inventory, and human resources. So ये सारी चीजें आपका ERM manage करता है. So ERM system is also widely known as enterprise resource planning system. In the rest of the lesson, आप ERP use करोगे instead of ERM. Now ERP is a cross-functional enterprise system driven by the integrated suite of software modules that supports the basic inter-business process of a company. ERP gives the company an integrated real-time view of its core business process such as production, human resource, sales and distribution, etc. ERP software consists of independent modules of integrated functional suites. Now, ERP ये सारा डेटा जो आप क्रिएट कर रहे हो इसको मैनेज करने में, एनालाइज करने में, और अगेन लेट्स सी इसके मतलब व्हाट इज the reason to implement an ERP in an organization is just that कि आपको रियल टाइम पे बिजनेस के प्रोसेस, प्रोडक्शन, ह्यूमन सोर्स, सेल्स और डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऐसे करके काफ़ी डिपार्टमेंट की इंफॉर्मेशन देता है. सो इट कंसिस्ट ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंट मॉड्यूल ऑफ integrated functional suites. Now ERP objectives provide support for all variation of best business practices, enable implementation of these practices with a view toward enhancing productivity, empower the customer to modify the implemented business process to suit the needs, help transforming the enterprise function to agile, cost effective and focused, supporting the business objectives, facilitate the organization making prompt and effective management decision. So decision making, best business practices, then you have the implementation of this best practice to enhance the productivity. Third is empower the customer to modify the implemented business process to suit the needs. And last, helps the transforming enterprise to be agile, cost effective, focused on supporting the business activity. So 5 facilities provide करता है आपका ERP. Let's go and see what next on this. And the genesis of ERP. ERP as a result of modern organization attitude towards how their information system are to be configured to the new business focuses merely automating system, no major bottleneck in getting built a software, disparate element of organization to have a link together. So whenever there's a change in an external pull take place, enterprise is able to adjust immediately and effectively. Now this proactive availability of an enterprise around the redefined business objective is called EWI, or enterprise-wide integration. Now ERP, the genesis of ERP is like कि आपका जो बिजनेस का जो सॉफ्टवेयर सपोर्ट्स हैं वो ऐसे होना चाहिए कि बाहर की जो मेजर इम्पैक्ट्स हैं वो आप इसमें मतलब इंजेक्ट करके इसको उसके अकॉर्डिंग में आप एग्जीक्यूट कर सको. सो देयर शुड नॉट बी कि आप एक बार बाहर चेंज आया एंड यू कैन नॉट मेक एनी फर्दर चेंज टू योर P. Now, this is genesis of ERP and future can be traced in the following system of an organization. So first is MIS, IIS, EIS, CIS, EWS, MRP and MRP2. So पहला मैनेजमेंट इंफॉर्मेशन सिस्टम हम पढ़ चुके हैं. इंटीग्रेटेड इंफॉर्मेशन सिस्टम, integrated and suited the specific drill down information system. Executive information system we've been through. Corporate information system, corporate wise information, legal, financial, सारी चीजें. Enterprise wise, branch wise information system. So enterprise wide system, it controls every function which we have discussed earlier. Material resource planning, MRP, and manufacturing resource planning. In mostly जो genesis हैं ERP के, they automatically specify that what all need to be taken care of, because अगर if we go by general dictionary of English, most of them are self-explanatory. Now the business process re-engineering, BPR, enterprise resource planning, ERP, जो भी हम पढ़ रहे हैं, intelligence resource planning, IRP, and money resource planning, MRP3. अब ये सारे मॉडल्स या जीन्स हैं, जेनेसिस हैं ऑफ MRP. ERP, MIS, CIS, EWS. Now the next we have to, if we have to see and proceed further, that is to go with the modules. Modules of ERP function और टेबल में इंफॉर्मेशन दी है कि करते क्या हैं ये. So business, sales, production, material, finance, personnel. Business में ERP helps in forecasting, planning, goals, setting up the objective, targets, strategy, control and fixed assets. ये सारी चीजें ट्रैक और अपडेट रखती है ERP आपको. Then sales में it's forecasting, planning, sales budget प्रिपेयर करने में, ऑर्डर प्रोसेस करने में, एग्जीक्यूट करने में, डिलीवरी करने में और मेंटेनेंस. प्रोडक्शन के बिहाफ पे it's planning, order control, work in progress, quality, scheduling, dispatch and quality control. मटेरियल में कितना परचेज करना है, कितनी इन्वेंट्री है, स्टोर्स में कितना आपके पास बचा है, वैल्यूएशन कितनी है, एनालाइज करना है, कंट्रोल और कॉस्ट. फाइनेंस में अकाउंटिंग, फंड्स मैनेजमेंट, बैलेंस शीट प्रोसेसिंग, शेड्यूल्स, एनालिसिस, कंट्रोल एंड मैनेजमेंट अकाउंटिंग, जिसको आप FM बोलते हैं. Personnel is all about human, payroll, accounting, skill, attendance, inventory, analysis, control and consolidation of business operations. So let's go through some basic features. So ERP अगर मैं just बताऊं तो ERP consists of each and everything that has to be dealt with the organization day-to-day basis. If it has to be for the entire business, yes, ERP take care of everything. Now ERP basic features are: features and function help interrogate management, staff and equipment, combining all aspects of your business into one system in order to facilitate every element of manufacturing process. Typical ERP system modules include features and function for accounting, HR, manufacturing, customer relationship, other business function. ERP system with manufacturing management functionality also include features and function of inventory, purchase, quality, sales management. ERP software often configured to specialized features and function of a particular industry or type of manufacturing. For example, you can compare ERP system for discrete manufacturing, process manufacturing, engineer to order, ETO, manufacturing, distribution, fashion, apparel, mining, etc. To find the best ERP system for your business, it's important to understand which features and function you need before you compare ERP solutions. So basic features, it covers everything, industry wise, process wise, operations wise. But to have the perfect ERP or the ideal ERP for your company, you need to know what are your requirements and what functions you are looking forward to. Now, the general features of ERP. Screen-based flow control, application of logic, common service functions such as currency, date, ending, help, diagnostic function, transaction flow control, help function, central table system for management of parameters, text, master data, online logical checks and validation, word processing, text and text editing, action messages, enterprise modeling, structure, policy, rules and guidelines. Now for the business system, it helps you the business to forecast, target fixing and allocation by the key parameters, business planning in terms of resources to execute, कौन से resource you need, the resources which you have available and you wish to execute them, strategy formulation and implementation, MS for strategy monitoring and control, business modeling for the strategy development and testing, decision decision taking system for resource planning, information based management for management application. Then in respect to sales, basic data, order processing, dispatching, invoicing, order analysis, forecasting, sales analysis, budget and control, finished goods stores management, dealer distributor management system, receivable analysis, market customer product analysis, market research information database, market personnel management, sales forecasting and budgeting. Now for the production, basic master data management, bills of material classification, process sheet routing, work order generation, scheduling and control, production planning, BOM, MRP, MPS and capacity planning, interface of CAD, CAM, K system. Quality system for data capture, analysis and control, work in progress tracking, evaluation, workstation, machine center management, production material interface, collection of unit data for valuation and costing. Materials mein you have purchase and procurement, goods receipt and issue system, stock management and valuation, inventory analysis, store ledger valuation analysis, disposal, excise and custom interference, data integration with production and accounting system, quotation inquiry processing, subcontracting, material accounting and bill passing. Now the next you have general accounts and function, ledger payables and receivable, subsidiary ledgers, cash flow, loan funds management, working capital management, budgeting, planning, control, balance sheet processing, tax management, status reporting, asset accounting, cost center accounting, product costing, cost analysis for business decision, bank reconciliation, letter of credit management, consolidation of accounts. Then you have to deal with personnel data management, personnel attendance system, time management, payroll accounting, salary, wages, incentive, bonus, under income tax, other deduction, contribution to various public and provident funds, HRM, planning, recruitment, training and upgradation, personnel cost, projection and planning, fixed asset is fixed asset accounting, inventory, register, depreciation accounting, capital work in progress, fixed asset, retirement disposal, year and processing of balance sheet schedule, maintenance is all about plant maintenance and planning, breakdown, preventive, conditional maintenance management, initiation, planning, execution, control and cost accounting. Then you have the monitoring performance for maintenance action as well as all kind of productive asset. Contract management, quality control mein you get the information regarding to system data gathering to the assess quality measure against the standard, analysis of quality by process, material, work, central location, analysis of quality by reason and action taking, building quality insurance data for equipment, process, technology selection, monitoring quality across the organization from input to output, operating decision and business decision. Now consolidation of business operation, accounting by units and division with local focus, consolidation by accounts in corporate function, bringing out the comprehensive report system for business decision. Now, characteristics of ERP solution: modular structure, scalable architecture, seamless integration data module, RDBMS independent of hardware platform. RDBMS में बता देता हूँ. Research and development, management system. Interface capabilities, PC download upload facility. Now the next thing you have to count upon is most of the ERP solution needs some changes to suit the environment. The commerce and the corporate law differ from country to country, and the ERP in such cases need customization to satisfy the local requirement of the business. Now the ERP solution has advantage of fast implementation as the design and development is eliminated being a package. Due to object-oriented technology and the client-server architecture, the changes are easy to make, which are less at the server and more at the client end. Since it has a modular structure, one can implement the solution in a phased manner, module by module. It can be implemented first on a smaller scale and expanded subsequently with more users, more location, and more module as well. Since the whole solution package is a product, the manufacturer in the package brings out for the new version of the product offering more facility, user improved utility solution. So ERP as it is आप implement नहीं कर सकते. You want it to suit to your environment of the organization. So the commerce and the corporate law differ from country to country. So ERP in such cases need customization. So यहाँ पे tailor made चाहिए होते हैं to fit the local requirement of the business in that particular country. So ERP solution has an advantage, fast implementation as the design and development, eliminated being a package. So due to object-oriented technology, the client and server architecture changes are easy to make, which are less at server and more at the client's end. यानी कि सर्वर से नहीं, आप क्लाइंट बीइंग अ क्लाइंट आप अपने चेंजेस अपने अकॉर्डिंग इनकॉर्पोरेट कर सकते हो इन ERP सॉफ्टवेयर से. So since it has a modular structure, one can implement the solution in a phased manner, module by module. It can be implemented first on smaller scale, then expanded subsequently. So बहुत ज़्यादा फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी दे रखी है आपको. आप ERP सॉल्यूशंस को अडेप्ट करो, आपको जैसा चाहिए. इट्स ऑलवेज कस्टम मेड. सर्विस चेंज करने की नहीं, आप क्लाइंट बेसिस पे अपने ERP सिस्टम अपने अकॉर्डिंग सेटअप कर सकते हो. Now, there are more than a dozen of ERP solutions available in the market, each having its own speciality. Though they are characterized as described earlier, they're different in look, feel, presentation, processing, efficiency, and user friendliness. Some of these products are developed as an application in a particular organization and then turned into a package solution. So individuals say they turn to be a multiple software package which help you through the ERP systems. In a view of this, some ERP solutions are more useful and efficient. Similar organization, the specific industry features have been taken care of more efficiently as the customized solution. Since the designer developer has choice of research development and management system, front-end tools, the interference tools, and so on, the package efficiency changes with choice of tools. Now some of these packages run better if installed on a particular hardware platform and used by a particular organization. Though these tools, technology and approach may be same or similar, the manner in which they are used and decide the efficiency of solution. So सारे products में अपने अपने ERP solution, अपने अपने tools, research development, front-end tool, interference tool, you can always customize it, you can always understand it, and if installed in a particular hardware and used by the particular organization. So some of these packages run better. मतलब आप ऐसा नहीं है कि ERP आपने इंस्टॉल करा and you just know everything about it. Best part is यूजर फ्रेंडली होना और कस्टमाइज. जब आपको ये दो चीज़ों की अवेलेबिलिटी मिल जाती है, इट बिकम्स स्लाइटली इजियर फॉर यू टू अंडरस्टैंड द सॉफ्टवेयर. सो आपको ऐसा इंटरफेस मतलब ऐसा एनवायरनमेंट में दे देते हैं, सो यू कैन बी फ्रेंडली विद द application software. Now, steps involved in implementation. Identification of the need implementing ERP package. Zarurat. Evaluating the as-is situation of your business. As-is जैसी है वैसी ही situation में, if there is any changes which are required to be done in the ERP will be taken care of. Deciding upon the desired would be situation for your business. Desired situation for your business. Re-engineering of the business process to achieve the desired result. Re-engineering, reorganizing. Evaluation of the various ERP softwares. Finalizing of the package. Install, develop both of the software and hardware networks. Finalizing the implementation consultants. And now you have the after installation, there are two steps: develop and finalize. Once developing, making the requisite changes, finalizing, it's done, and then implementation of the ERP software on the first phase. Critical success factor for ERP implementation. A lot has been said about the competitive advantage provided by ERP. An organization decides to take the plunge into ERP route. The consultants will be hired to bring the best practices in the industry. It requires both knowledge, functional knowledge, as well as the software programming skills. The following factors are critical in ERP success. First and foremost is the top management commitment. The large investment need to implement ERP ensure that the decisions are invariably taken at the top level management. It is fortunate but not sufficient. This ensures the top level management involvement but is not tantamount to top level commitment. Here is an example to be successful. The ERP team must consist of your best people, not those that can be spared during the project team. Unless the top management takes a conscious decision, take out the best people for an extended period of time at the cost of losing the best people during the implementation, ERP has a little chance of success. So critical issues and success factor. पहला होता है कि top level management की commitment मिलना, that they will have the implementation of ERP. अब आप normal अगर आप देखो कि large investment, ERP requires large amount of investment. Now decisions which are taken majorly are at the top level management, but decision is not sufficient to commitments. So मतलब जो decide करा है, it will be performed to as in commitment. It's not important. So to be in successful ERP, team must consist of your best people, not those which can be spared. Unless the management take a conscious decision to take out the best people for an extended period of time at the cost of losing the best people during implementation, ERP has a little chance of success. The management commitment involves management unit or management of change. ERP is likely to turn the organization upside down, unleashing the lot of energy from vested interest. Unless the top management is involved directly, it is impossible for any line manager to face the operation to such changes. So पहला होता है upfront commitment, which requires investments, best people for implementation. And management commitment involves management of change. So top management has to involve directly, and it's impossible for any line manager to face the operation of such changes. Now, another real test of top management commitment is the resistance to over customization, particularly to the Indian context. Now, one reason why many computerization efforts in Indian organization have not been particularly successful is not having systems in place. Proper implementation lack करने की वजह से ERP fail हो जाते हैं. Now, ERP implementation is a golden opportunity to put such system in place. Now, thanks to excellent IIT skill available in many Indian organizations, there is a strong tendency to do it your way, leading to large-scale customization. We in the Indian corporate scene recognize that there is no point of doing such standard process and practice in any distinctly different way. It is better to follow the standard and concentrate innovative ways to doing things better in business. So, अगर मैं critical implementation देखूं, huge investment, commitment, you need best people for its implementation. Then ERP systems is a golden opportunity to make the systems in place. यानी कि जो आपके process day to day top level management के alignments में आप ला सकते हो, वो ERP के through आप consider कर सकते हो. Apart from that, you have the standard procedures and practice which can be considered different, or you can stand up a benchmark for these implementation. अब ERP का benefit देखते हैं. ERP involves the organization of computing system, business process and procedure under one umbrella, designed to improve business efficiency. Originally designed for manufacturing organization, ERP is available for a wide range of industry, including financial service companies. Companies focus on customer service. In the past, ERP systems were designed for a very large organization. However, many suppliers now offer product for small and medium-sized business. ERP systems are being implemented by most of the organization for innumerable benefits. Some of them are given. So mostly manufacturing industries के लिए आपने consider करा है, and it's the umbrella software designed to improve the business efficiency. Apart from this, ERP वैसे originally ERP जो create हुआ था, that was only for the large organizations. Now many suppliers who offer products for small medium-sized business, ERP system are being implemented. अब benefits देखते हैं, इससे benefits क्या है? The key benefit of implementing ERP is integration. Helps reducing operational costs by coordinating various departments of the organization. पहली चीज. दूसरा, the major idea behind is to control the accuracy as well as the redundancy of data and data entry. The second major point, पहला operational cost, reducing redundancy, centralized working system is able to replace multiple disconnect database with single system. Then it has the incorporate of different application data and sources. It also aims to help the desk support marketing cost. In addition, it's a real-time application capabilities of interfering internal and external entities. Moreover, ERP is an ideal application to improve cooperation between department and employees, as well as the communication with prospect customers. Second, standardization of process. Manufacturing company has gone through acquisition is likely to find that different units use different methods to build up the same product. Standardizing process and using integrated computer system can save time, increase productivity, reduce headcount. It may also enable the collaborating and scheduling production across the different units and size. Then you have the human resource information. Very useful in multi-site company. Unified method for tracking employee time, communicating benefit, extremely beneficial because it promotes sense of fairness among the workplace as well as seamless the company as whole. Effective management and repeatable process. One of the fundamental objectives of ERP system are repeatable process. By creating repeatable process, management is able to ensure that the tasks are done using organization-wise best practices. Now, employees are able to improve quality by performing tasks at the same way each time. Repeatable process also reduce risk of key employees leaving his or her knowledge of how a job is done. These type of process also easier to change because a large number of people are performing at the same set of tasks. Finding improvements can be easier. Rolling out those changes organization wide can also be easier. Training cost khatam ho gayi. Standardizing these process also result in lower training costs because the process is same throughout the organization. Training programs that are standardized reduce overall development cost. By standardizing process, training can be patterned and optimized to reduce the time spent in training. Now, reduce the time spent in training means less non-productive time. Reduced inventory cost. Many ERP system, especially system designed for manufacturing industry, are customizable for lean manufacturing or other part control management system. By linking repeatable process with inventory usage, the manufacturer can maintain lower parts inventory. Now, this is possible because the integration between process and ordering. Each time a procedure is executed, inventory levels can be updated on real time. Once a predefined level of part inventory is reached, replacement can automatically be ordered from the supplier. Automatically बता देता है कि आपको कब inventory की जरूरत पड़ने वाली है. Now, improve business visibility. Depending upon how the system is implemented, one objective on ERP system might focus on business performance and operation visibility. By creating report based on actual manufacturing tasks, overall performance of the organization can be more easily analyzed and optimized. Things that might require tracking include time it takes to complete tasks, production levels, and production units per unit of time, and almost measurable that could help an organization to analyze performance. Eighth is increased profits. Optimizing production through process visibility, the cost per production unit can be reduced. Reducing training cost can again add to the bottom line by reducing inventory level. Less money is tied up on non-liquid business resources, which increase the availability cash to allow a company to make faster business decisions. Enhance efficient technology. Software enhances day-to-day management activity, also supports strategic planning, defines the objective for business. Since it has a better data accessibility, top management can also use this tool to make better and more effective decision. In addition, ERP system has the capability of eliminating manual activities and streamlining critical business process for many departments of an organization. The following are the some more benefit that improve the efficiency of ERP system. Pehla, easy reporting. An ERP system improve customized reporting, provides easy technique to generate reports within a better access to data. You can generate, manipulate report anytime you want to. User friendliness. This route-based user-friendly application easily eliminate problem without overgrown data tables. Moreover, non-technical people can easily access the data information using ERP application, so you not need to be a tech savvy. This handy application also allows you to deal with high volumes because of its real capability and feature-based orientation. Easy data accessibility. ERP system enables you to access real-time data, increase self-service critical information. Many ERP vendors are providing mobile functionality so that you can always remain connected and well-informed regards to your business performance. Security. Not improve the data integrity, security also enhances the data restriction, allowing you to keep your customer information, company data safe and secure. Providing business and financial solutions. Best business and financial solution for almost every type of organization. By permitting flow of resources, finances into different and vital business activity, it enables the enterprise to increase the efficiency in its daily operations. Next is accuracy and consistency. An ERP enables companies to maintain a consistent, accurate data throughout the department, enabling the complete flow of information to be viewed through a single system. The department head can see the timing of employees and total work completed. It provides better visibility and helps improving performance of the organization. Then you have the better resource management. The centralized application provide tools and reporting capabilities to allow the management to better allocate the valuable resources. This allows decision making to monitor, take action during the crucial time, prevent the delays. For any productive business organization, ERP play a vital role. A successfully implemented centralized ERP system will help improving alignment strategies and operation productivity and insight, financial management and corporate governance. Now, ERP system also enables in reducing costs through increased flexibility and overall risk. Before implementing ERP system, be assured that the terms where how the organization will benefit. Discussion with potential suppliers of ERP in this regard will play a vital role. So before you implement, look into these all the advantages. Make sure you go through each and every point. Take a consultation for the same, that will our ERP be helpful for your organization? Is it not too early or not too late? What extra efforts will be required? And then go ahead and consider a ERP software solution for your organization. The next you have is for limitation of ERP. Each good system is having some limitations. For these limitations, sometimes people become reluctant implement good system. ERP is not different and has also some limitations. So the limitations which are associated with an ERP are discussed here. While there's a running business, it can be difficult because new business can be very effective. Same time, older business can be very difficult. All employees must be trained. There will be a significant downtime as the business switches all the application over to the new system. Now, instead of the other application, you are working only on ERP system. So some business cannot afford the profit and loss downtime would require. ERP system also tend to have industry standards for specific type of businesses, and strict modules may lower creativity of competitive advantage. Customization is problematic. Every business has its own requirement and there is no ERP which may be suited for all business requirement. So to implement ERP system in an organization, the first detailed study about the different process of a business is done, and then various customization is done to make ERP suitable for a particular organization requirement. Yani ki before implementing ERP to a business organization, one needs to study the business, analyze the structure, and then customize the ERP for the computer. Sorry about this, just a second. The customization process involves a lot of money, resources, which work as a limitation to the implementation of ERP system in an organization. Then you have the policy limitations. Now, ERP systems do not fit the business of plans every enterprise. Often, ERP system must customize to allow for a specific task. Not all ERP system allow, depending on the system of company, the business use. It may be against the policy to make such drastic change to the application. So, obviously, they do not fit everywhere. It must be customizable, but only for specific tasks. And each and every ERP system do not allow this, depending on the system of the company it uses, this business uses. It may be against the policy to make such changes. Then you have the ongoing support. It's difficult to depend upon. Technical response can be adapt dealing with the minor problems. Major complication with the ERP system can be beyond the limited customer service available to business. Lack of user participation in ERP implementation. So, irrespective of the any new software to the on your computer operating system, it's so exhaustive. User training, implement user interface might be critical. Moreover, involvement of key user at the pre-implementation stage and implementation stage is very important. Lack of involvement act as a because people resist change, but that is something which is constant. So people lack their involvement in the system, which can be costing. Problem of harmonization of ERP process with business process. So it can be a mammoth of tasks, especially for big companies. It requires a lot of time and planning and money. Then as resistance to change. Once ERP is implemented, it requires a lot of process changing, starting new process, etc. In this process, certain people profile gets redundant. They need to transfer to the other process. Moreover, implementing ERP requires people to new process and technologies. So all these things become resistance for the people for the big implementation. Annual charges are high. License renewal that is unrelated to the size of the company using ERP or its profitability. This act as a big limitation for an ERP limitation. Cutting the expenses on training. Success depends upon skill and experience of the workforce, including training how to make the system work correctly. Many companies cut cost by cutting training budgets. Privately owned small enterprises are often capitalized, meaning the ERP system is often operated by a personnel with inadequate education in ERP general. So this is a big limitation. So most of the ERP, the people who operate are not having the adequate information regarding to that system for what they are operating it. Dependency on one vendor, high switching cost. So you have to depend upon single vendor for further upgrades, customization. Moreover, switching cost will be very high. यानी कि एक vendor से आप दूसरे vendor के पास जा रहे हो for the same ERP system, that can be really costing. Criteria for choosing the ERP system or ERP vendor. Now what you need to look into before you choose the particular ERP system or vendor. Vendor is the person who actually delivers you the ERP software. So the right enterprise resource planning system can be integrate key business function, boosting the bottom line. The wrong ERP application can drain your IT budget. So difference between two can be simple as knowing the question asked you research option. The following 5 criteria should be up your top of the list when you are evaluating vendors. Functional specification. Does the application accommodate your business needs? First, functional compatibility depends upon the complex analysis of your company's unique business needs and the ERP industry varied solution. Second, prioritize company process. So identify the core corporate function, develop the comprehensive picture based on input for all stakeholders. Identify showstoppers. It's the missing features on unsupported business process that transform an otherwise great fit into complete mismatch. Often these glitches lurk beneath the radar, surfacing upon implementation. The software that can count widgets but can track corn and syrup. The application that won't be assigned dual currency prices, export items depending on the enterprise. Even the most advanced ERP solution can become a nightmare. So you need to realize what exactly you want that software to be for you. The main and the major areas where you need to check the ERP system कि यहाँ पे तो आपको ज़रूरत है ही है. So prioritize करने के बाद the showstopper, if I talk about showstopper, so showstoppers will give you what all you need in that ERP system that has to be there for you to make a decision. So you can avoid functional incompatibility by determining the ERP system designed for discrete or process manufacturing, work order or repetitive manufacturing, distributor or manufacturer process management, multi-plant warehouse environment, multi-language or multi-currency needs. Now then you evaluate your options. So all ERP are not equal. A clue to a product relative strength is origin. Some ERP vendors begin by developing manufacturing software, other enter in a field of root burst human resource packages or data warehouse solution. Oracle Accelerate program leverages company both spectrum of world-class business application to deliver comprehensive modular ERP package. So once you consider these three, then evaluate what exactly you are looking forward to. So every ERP system will not provide you the customizable solution, but yes, start looking forward to the different demonstrations so you can decide which one you have to pick. Then you have the business model. Does the application mesh, means combine with your corporate culture? Functional capability is absolutely crucial, but also important. Consider the structural fit. You have to examine more suitable issues as your company corporate culture and management style. Advice business technology expert Dirk Slater. An ERP package may look great on paper but will mesh up with your model of your doing business. Consider not only what your company needs to accomplish but also how it will do so. For example, hands-on manager want to drill down the details. A big picture executive will feel better served by a sleeker financials. Oracle ERP application excel in aggregating data into expensive transaction reports. Other applications favor a more, it does not make sense. What's an expansive? Flexibility. Can the application be modified? Will it scale to the accommodating evolving need? ERP planning long-range investment. A flexible system will grow with your company, accommodating the new specification as they emerge. Flexibility also crucial for the implementation to ensure that program can align with existing business and need to achieve integration. Look for an ERP solution that will accommodate new operating protocols for future business growth, market expansion, and any other initiative that might arise. To evaluate ERP flexibility, consider system parameter default setting, custom screen menu options, tools modifying standard forms, data SS option, customer reporting, modular format. Apart from this, how much time would it require to implement? Now, rollout will be quick, effective, and painless. Obviously, पैसा भी दो और time भी खराब करो. Time is money. You cannot take a chance. So let's go ahead, see what all needs to be considered. Implementation can be daunting prospect while company-wide integration at stake. Check your ERP providers. Implementation, track record methodology. Effective rollout minimizes the cost and disruption associated with conversion. A speedy vendor supported system implementation process also promote user buy-in and a faster time to return on investment. Industry expertise. Does the vendor have a proven track record in your industry? ERP solution choose to come with a pedigree of successful installation in your field. There are few companies that do not specialize in process dedicated by their industry, says consultant David Dorbin. A proven track record means the vendor is already well attuned to the particular business requirements of this market sector. For manufacturer, for example, right system is one of that from its beginning has been based on strong process engineering foundations. Some ERP integration specialists even recommend an on-site visit ERP customer of the same industry if possible. Many ERP providers applications customized to a particular industry. Oracle Accelerate program include application for 32 industry ranging from aerospace to defense to wholesale distribution. The formula for finding a perfect ERP match is fairly straightforward, providing the team performs due diligence research, functional structure compatibility, flexibility, solid vendor support, and proven track record added up to the ERP solution that works. Start up with we have the popular ERP service providers, that is SAP. It is the world's largest business software company and is the third largest software supplier overall. Founded in 1972 as System Application and Product Data Processing, SAP has a rich history of innovation and growth that has made a recognized leader in providing collaborative business solutions for all type of industry in every major market. With a mission statement that emphasizes experience, knowledge, and technology for maximizing business, SAP leverages its extensive experience to deliver a comprehensive range of solutions to empower every aspect of business operation for organization of any size. Deploying the high quality technology, services, and development resources, SAP delivers the business platform that unlocks valuable information resource, improves supply chain efficiency, build up a strong customer relationship. The company headquartered in Waldorf, Germany, employs more than 46,100 people in more than 50 countries and serve more than 43,400 customers worldwide. Now, the key strengths of the of SAP ERP are stated as under. It addresses the core business software requirements of most demanding mid-size and large organizations in all industry sectors. SAP ERP draws from more than 30 years of experience with more than 40,000 customer implementations to deliver powerful functionality, global orientation, and flexible enhancement option. SAP is committed to delivering innovation to its customer through its SAP ERP application with SAP enhancement packages. Organization can replace the traditional technique of improving and augmenting core process supported by SAP ERP. Instead of waiting for functionality that is packed with new release, they can implement innovation from SAP without having to run a major upgrade project with SAP ERP. Customers ensure that their employees can readily access their critical data, application, and analytical tools that they need to perform their job function efficiently and effectively, while also supporting a shared service organizational model for human resources, finance, and other key process. SAP supports more than 43,000 customers worldwide with 1,05,000 installations in 120 countries. SAP is a unique ecosystem consists of 11,000 consulting and education employees plus 6,000 service and support staff. SAP has a large support organization with 1,85,000 certified partner employees, 77 training centers, 6 global support centers, 9 custom development centers, and genuine 24/7 support. SAP is able to maximize an organization business and IT success. So these are the certain facts and figures which SAP hold of. Now the next you have is Oracle. Backed by the strength of one of the largest software application companies in the world, committed to technology, innovation, and integration, Oracle ERP solutions suit help customers to achieve 30 to 80% lower total cost of ownership. Benefit of a predictable cost model, it reduces risk partner expertise. Oracle solution leverage third-party solution and add-on application from 19,000 partner companies. After 30 years of providing leading-edge solution, Oracle remains a major player for database technology and application in enterprise throughout the world. The company is the world leading supplier software for information management and the world's second largest independent software company. Oracle technology can be found nearly every industry and the data center of 98 of the Fortune 100 companies. Oracle is the first software company to develop and deploy 100% internet-enabled enterprise software across its entire product line. Database, business application, and application development decision support tools. Oracle was one of the first companies to make its business application available through the internet, an idea that's how Process. With the release of Oracle Fusion middleware, Oracle has begun to debut new products and functionality that reflects the company's goal to connect all levels of enterprise technology to help customers access the knowledge they need to respond to the market condition with speed, agility. Today, Oracle Real Application Cluster, Oracle E-Business Suite, Oracle Grid Computing, the Grid Computing, support Enterprise Linux, and Oracle Fusion all fuel at a commitment to innovation and result that has defined Oracle for 30 years. Now the Oracle application are now running over 1,500 sector organization, that is with the public, and 10 of the world top 10 banks, 20 of the world top telecom companies, and 10 of the top 10 academic university worldwide. So the Oracle ERP key strength. Oracle ERP Solution Suite help customer to achieve 30 to 80% lower cost of ownership, benefit from a predictable cost model and reduced risk. With Oracle powerful on-demand software technology, over 3.6 million end users are able to increase their productivity and gain competitive advantage, resulting in a superior ownership and experience. Oracle Enterprise Manager is the only management software that provides complete management solution for the business application using a unique top-down approach. It provides strong monitoring, management encompasses end-user experience, application flows, and the underlying software and the system infrastructure. Oracle often proven and open solutions, a network of partner expertise. The company solutions are built on open standards and leverage third-party solution and add-on application. Oracle 19,000 strong partner network delivers deep industry-specific functionality and best practices. Now the next we have on this is Microsoft Dynamics. Backed by the strength of Microsoft, one of the IT largest companies in the world, it uses very familiar Microsoft interface. Headquarters at Redmond. The company was founded in 1975, New Mexico, USA. It offers complete business management software, ERP, e-commerce, supply chain, manufacturing, CRM, HR, project accounting, etc. The following ERP solutions are offered by the company. The first is Microsoft Dynamics GP, formerly Microsoft Great Plains, Microsoft Dynamics NAV, Microsoft Dynamics AX. Customer focus. The Microsoft distribute its products primarily through the following channels: OEM, distribution and resellers, and online services. Its customers include individual customers, small and medium-sized organization, enterprise, governmental institution, educational institution, internet service provider, application developers, and OEMs. The company ERP solution suite, Microsoft Dynamics, offer integrated, adaptable business application for small and medium-sized organization and division of large enterprise. So these integrated solutions delivered through a worldwide network experience. Microsoft certified partners work like and work with familiar Microsoft software and help automate and improve financial customer relationship and supply chain management. So Microsoft Dynamics is for SME business. Infor is the 10th largest software company in the world with approximately for 2.1 billion in revenue. That's the amount. Over the past 6 years, Infor has grown to become one of the leading business software companies in the world by building and acquiring some of the best solutions in the world. A company unparalleled in application breadth, market experience, open technology, and global reach. Infor has 8,000 plus employees, direct offices, and implementation and support capabilities in 100 countries and over 70,000 customers worldwide. The thought leaders at Infor understand that the customer wants to reduce the number of vendors they work and with. Infor strive to continue as the trusted vendor of choice. Infor has a consistent 95% of customer retention rate and over the highest in the industry, and the 72% of this license revenue are generated by its current customers. Additionally, over 1,000 new customers choose Infor last year for its unparalleled application breadth, open technology, and global reach. The company is committed to continuing its growth by broadening in the best-in-class focus, providing the most innovative solution and the service globally. Offers a variety of ERP solutions that helps the company in a wide spectrum of subsector automate, plan, collaborate, and execute based on their unique business requirement. It is the world's 10th largest software company, over 70,000 customers worldwide with 95% of the customer retention rate. The company serves mid-market manufacturers, headquarters at Alpharetta, Georgia. It was founded in 2002. Now in ERP, it offers includes Infor ERP Band/LN, Infor ERP Styline, in for ERP Visual, in for ERP BPCS/LX, in for ERP Adage. It is all about customer focus. Based on the company's middle market, discrete manufacturing enterprise in nature, in industrial equipment, high-tech electronics, automotive, metal and plastic fabrication, and the aerospace sector, mid-market process, manufacturing, consumer goods, chemicals, and food beverage markets. So info is for only medium enterprise. So ERP में to be honestly there was everything was self-explanatory. I'd like to confirm कुछ जगह starts थे which has to be learned. However, आपके पास video के just below पे you have the link for the book. In case I miss out on something, apologies. But as for now, chapter 9 is complete. We're looking forward to get done with e-governance in India. That's lesson 10, and the final chapter is system audit. So इसके बाद IT खत्म. Next, what's planning to start up with is corporate restructuring. So 2 chapters to go. Then next class will go forward for corporate restructuring. Thank you so much.